We are not mechanics. Please watch only for entertainment purposes. Everything we do or say is most likely wrong, dangerous, or plain stupid. Don't let Dave's good looks sway your judgment. Don't let Juan's rugged exterior make it seem like he knows what he is talking about. I mean, even our name, UnHandy Mechanics, is an oxymoron.
Oxymoron.
Hey, hold up. You can't do that. That is a diss. I ain't no oxymoron, all right?
That should tell you everything you need to know about us. Oh, like and subscribe.
All right, guys, we're back. So we did the coilover install. What I've noticed, and it appears to only be on the left side, the driver's side, is when I'm turning the wheel, there's like a creaking noise.
See if you can hear it coming in.
We believe it's the ball joint right inside there. We think it just needs some oil. We're gonna spray some WD-40 right in there. But to be sure, we're also going to tighten this this large nut here and just double check and retighten these just to make sure there's nothing else that's moving.
And then what are we? Then we're going to recharge your AC.
Yes, then we're going to recharge the AC because the AC is blowing fine, but it's not cold.
So a quick.
And it's Florida and it's hot.
Yeah, quick trip to Walmart. We'll get some driving with the car. See if Dave knows how to really shift.
Yeah, it's just not fourth gear.
Not fourth gear. And we'll go from there. You got your keys? Genius is over here. You don't have to turn it on, just like put the accessories on. You should be able to turn your wheel. All right, go ahead and do it. Yeah, I think we should definitely pop some WD-40 just right into there. Like I said, that's what I do with my old Megan Racing ones.
Yeah.
Not Megan Racing's, oh my God. Max Peating rods, not speeding.
Max Peating.
Peating. So yeah, let's just put some WD-40 in there. Lube it up.
Kind of get all sides.
I'm just trying not to get any like up in the thread. You don't want it to. Oh, there you go. It's okay. Now let it just like chill and soak.
Yeah, and then when I start turning it, it should get everywhere. 0 to 8 are suggested for street.
So it's
9 to 16 suggested for mountain use.
you going on the mountains?
No.
I mean, you did send me that picture of the AI. I'll put that up on the screen. What Dave does when his spare time with AI.
Oh yeah. So you guys can see the dampening instructions. Right now I have it set at 12, which it says, I guess, actually suggested for mountain use. So maybe I should go a little.
But you said it's bumpy.
It seems bouncy.
So let's go a little tighter. Let's go a little tighter, and so when we drive to Walmart, we'll know, and then come back.
Okay.
So let's tighten it.
Let's make, yeah. So we'll go. What are 12? Maybe what, like 3 more? 15? I don't know how much each notch.
Let's go 18.
You feel 18?
So it'll be like every 6. So there's 24 divided by 4 would be 6 different, or divided by 6 would be 4 different settings, you know?
Yeah.
So let's go to 18 and we'll drive it to go get the stuff.
And then see how it feels.
All right, so now what? A nice little trip to Wally World.
Yep.
And go from there. All right, let's get some driving going.
When I come back, am I going to be able to go in the residency side?
No. You're not that cool.
Damn.
We don't like you.
You ready?
Hold on. Let me get my seatbelt on, bro.
Does it feel bouncy at all, dude?
Yeah, a little bit. Maybe as you go down, the absorption is more. Because the tighter you make it, the harder the ride. I would imagine, right?
Yeah.
Because the tighter you make it, the more bumps. So 0 to 9 for street would be.
I always want to turn there, like after I make that turn, it just feels natural.
You're gonna make a left now.
Okay.
Damn, I gotta make sure I don't get all the street signs. You know what I mean? People are gonna try to steal my Eclipse.
Nobody want that piece of shit.
Hey. Holy shit.
Okay, maybe that
Yeah.
needs to be fixed.
We might need to work something else out in the car because my seat just freaking went completely forward. Well, don't get into a car accident because I'm dead.
Yeah. If this every once in a while when I'm driving, this will go up almost to red, sit there for a few seconds, and then go back down. Not sure exactly what that is, but if it happens, we'll get a shot of it.
So it really is popping out of fourth, huh?
Yeah. Today's been really bad.
We're gonna have to learn how to rebuild the transmission.
Yeah.
Because I
absolutely gorgeous.
appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
That's cool. So we got one. Love the car. That's awesome. Does that always make you feel good, like when someone just like appreciates your ride?
Oh, for sure. Even when I took it in to get the alignment and everything, and the new tires, I got some compliments.
That's always
So it
nice.
seems like anytime I take it somewhere, now I'm getting compliments on it. So that's always nice. You know, I think since we put the white wheels on is when I really started getting that.
Yeah. No, the white wheels really make it pop.
Yeah.
Especially with the red. Imagine how much hate and love we're gonna get when you do the Dolphins theme.
I know.
People are like, "Fuck you!"
Like, why did you
Fuck
do
you
that?
and the Dolphins. Way to ruin a car, you asshole.
I know.
Patriots fans will be throwing shit at you.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to get a dash cam. In case someone does something stupid, because you football people are insane. So yeah, Miami Dolphins, if you're watching this, which I know you're absolutely not, maybe whoever's ahead of their media or whatever. So you know, if you need us for tailgating, we can get drunk professional, right?
Yeah.
We used to.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Brews Room right there. That used to be our, I mean, not that Brews Room, but we used to get drunk at Brews Room all the time.
Stop it.
Yeah, you know, nice, what was the picture of the Blue Long Island?
Oh man, that was good.
All right, I'm gonna go to Walmart so you guys don't need to see this.
Look at that.
Oh damn, McLaren. Nice. Almost shut off the McLaren. And now someone's about to hit us. Because they really want this one spot so bad because there's 987 other spots.
Let's not go too far up.
I don't hear it clinking as bad.
Yeah.
Okay, there it goes.
Yeah, it's still.
I mean, it'll definitely take some time. I think you're crooked as shit. by
I
the
am
way.
crooked.
Dave is crooked as shit. In Walmart, we got the stuff. Got the stuff.
People around. She was watching us.
See? Can't even
I
make
know
it.
guava strawberries.
Can't even make it through Walmart. This guy's got to get an energy drink. It's absolutely ridiculous.
Rain energy drink tastes very good. Them and Celsius, my favorites.
Sponsor?
Oh yeah, I'll take it. I think I'm gonna go with tropical. I don't think I've tried tropical yet.
All right, everything from Walmart has been acquired. Correct?
Oh, yeah.
So, hopefully this works. Hopefully it doesn't go in the red. That's what sucks. Is like you don't know until you know.
Yeah, well,
You know?
yeah. I guess if it does, and we need a new compressor, that's something else that we're gonna have to do. If that's something we can do.
This is the best part about it. Is when you walk back up to your car. Look how pretty it is.
It's sexy. This is a sexy car.
Chirp, chirp. Oh, fancy. You locked it, you jerk.
I hit the unlock button twice.
Look at that. This
Check out the house key.
guy's Dolphins everything.
It's gonna match the car.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Beautiful. All right. Let's start this up.
Oh, there's the McLaren. Let's go get him.
This car's faster.
Come on, traffic. Good, he's got traffic. Let's get the McLaren. For a minute, I was like, where the fuck's his license plate? Is that a McLaren? Ugh. Is that a McLaren? I don't think so. I don't know what the hell that is. If that's a McLaren, that sounded like absolute dog shit.
I think it might be electric.
I think it's, I don't know what that is. I don't think that's a McLaren.
Use the camera, take a photo, and we'll do an AI search.
I think I'm taking photos. What the fuck do I know?
But yeah, dude, that car is quiet as shit.
Yeah, it's probably electric. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I looked when I was driving by. The handles look like kind of like Tesla handles. That's why I think it might be electric.
Because even the front really looked. The front looked like a McLaren. What is that, dude? Huge ass tires. There he goes.
Sure flies.
There he goes.
We can't keep up.
I think he's winning.
He cheated. Well, what's that?
What is that? No, that sounds like that's gotta be a hybrid. Shit, that's fourth.
It bounced out of fourth.
We can get you making a U-turn and gunning it, you know?
Oh crap!
Oh no, U-turn. It's alright, just do a little. I mean,
I'll go in
or
there.
he could illegally make a U-turn. But I will say there's a lot of cops here all the time. Yeah, we just make a weird U-turn.
Let's turn here.
Go for it. Oh yeah.
Am I gonna have to show my ID?
Yeah.
With me?
We got one of these little kits. It's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, the directions are pretty easy, but more importantly, it's going to connect to the low pressure valve or port. The cool part is, like, even if you tried to connect it to the high pressure, it would not connect. Like, you can't do it wrong. It's only going to connect to that. So it's not something that you need to like worry about. You will not connect to this. This is too big. Of course it doesn't want to come off. Okay, that doesn't want to come off. But anyway, it is literally too big. This will not connect. So you can't mess up which one you're putting it on. It literally connects very easily. But for the most part, turn the car on, turn the AC all the way to full blast, shake the crap out of this, connect it to this. Just the most important part is once the car is on and you connect it to this, if it is in the red and it's showing no PSI, then there's something wrong. You can't charge it with this. Then you have other problems.
Maybe the compressor's
You have a
not working.
compressor or there's some
Or
major
some-
leak or
yeah.
something. So that's the only thing we're hoping will not happen. And that's really the only thing we're concerned about, right?
Yeah.
Let's watch Dave doing something that he's really good at doing. There you go. Oh, okay.
On bar rescue, they're
Okay.
like, shit.
Martini?
Yeah.
Okay. Shaken, not stirred. Turn it on. Shake the crap out of this. Now we're just gonna put this on. It's gonna be some gears. Yeah, you got it. Let's see where the pressure gauge is. Yeah, see, it still needs to get filled. So go ahead, keep going. Let's see. Let me see what it feels like in there. It's definitely blowing cold. Hey, at least it wasn't a compressor.
So we think.
I'm throwing water at you.
What the? Man, what the?
Condensation. It's only condensation, I swear.
Uh-huh.
All right, so AC is refilled. Checked all the bolts, torqued them. We did the dampening to what, 18?
Yeah.
And like morons, obviously the tighter you make the suspension, the rougher the ride. I don't know why we didn't come up with that.
Okay.
Because it's so tight that every bump you're gonna feel it. You know what I mean?
Because I was thinking,
If it's too loose, it's gonna bounce.
yeah.
I don't know if I would say it was bouncy, it was more rough.
Okay.
It wasn't like we were bouncing up and
Yeah.
down. It was just rigged.
That's just how I described it.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to where it actually said 0 to 9 was for street. So we said we're gonna try at what?
6.
6?
Yeah.
6?
6.
Yeah, let's
I
go
mean,
to
we
6.
could even go on the higher end and do like a 7 or 8. I don't know. Because I'm gonna have to, when I drive it.
Yeah, go to 6,
And then. Yeah.
and then we'll go from there. Yeah, so let's go all the way left,
So,
and then we'll go 6.
okay, so it's at, I guess, 0 now. So
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we've gone 12, 18, and this will be 6.
Yeah. So instructions are probably right. You should probably listen to those. Don't listen to us because we're dumb.
Yeah, I don't know why I didn't think of that. I guess, yeah, so bumpy
Well,
or...
because you think soft, you think, well, this is how I thought soft would be like, you know, like you're kind of.
Yeah, I think
but
what
it's
coilovers is
absorbing.
absorbing
Yeah,
the
like-
shock.
I get it. I get it.
I think that's what's going on. I think, at least. I don't know.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, he's got the AC going, nice and cold. Oh yeah, it's perfect. A little bit. Just a little crick. Just a little. Yeah, it'll work out.